Hello, dear friends. This is Phone Support Channel. Before you start watching this video, please subscribe to the channel and give it a like, and also write your feedback in the comments if this video helped you, or if you have any questions. Thank you. In this video, I want to show and tell you how to take a long screenshot on your iPhone 14 or any other iPhone. That is, you will be able to take a screenshot of absolutely the whole page, for example, in Safari or Instagram. See also. To do this, you just take a regular screenshot by pressing the volume and off button. After that, you open the screenshot in the corner of the screen. And here you need to click on the button. Full page. Done. The screenshot has captured the whole page and we can view it from top to bottom. And we can also make marks and notes. We can also crop this screenshot. Then we can save that screenshot. We can click on the Done button and click Save PDF to Files. And click on that and save this document to our files. We can go to Files and find our saved document. In the big list, I find my screenshot that I can send to my friends or somewhere else. With this video, you were able to take a screenshot of an entire page in a couple seconds. As you can see, this is a very easy and quick way to do it. There's nothing complicated about it. If you liked this video, put likes and subscribe to the channel. And also watch other useful videos on the channel. That was Phone Support. Bye-bye.